guys, welcome to my channel. So for this tutorial, I will be using my BAYTONE BT37MC. All record players pretty much have the same instructions, so no worries if you don't have this exact model. So my record player doubles as a cassette player too, but we will be ignoring that feature today. So let's go ahead and turn it on. For my record player, all I have to do is turn the knob until it pops or until I see the screen turn blue. So before playing a record, you must know the differences between them. The most popular sizes of records are 45s and 33s. 45s contain 2 songs and 33s contain an entire album. With that being said, they require different setups. So to set up a 45 RPM record, take your adapter, which is essential to making the 45s work, place it at the core of the turntable, and then place the record on top. Lastly, you need to switch the speed to the number 45. Now to set up a 33 RPM record, you don't need any adapter, you just need to place it on top of the turntable as is. And lastly, switch the speed to the number 33. And in case you're curious, this is what it sounds like being played at the wrong speed. Now that we understand their different setups, the next steps to making these records play are pretty much the same. So now we have to lift the needle. Remove the safety lock first, then pull the lever next to it so it goes up. This will be releasing the needle for you to move side to side with your hands. Now before touching the needle, you want to remove the protective casing that's over it. Then gently push the needle toward the record, which will make the record automatically spin, and you want to place it at the edge of the record so you don't skip any parts of the song. So this is what it should sound like. If you want to skip songs within the 33 RPM records, find the thick indentations which represent each song and lift the needle on top of one. If you want to change to the second song in the 45 RPM records, just flip the record over. And this is what it should sound like. So here's a really useful bonus tip. If a record is skipping, just place a quarter on the head of the needle, but don't do this often as it will ruin the needle over time. Speaking of bonuses, check out this neat trick. So I'm rolling up a sheet of paper into a cone, then sticking a sewing needle in the hole and twisting it together for security. This is essentially how the first record player worked, the phonograph. In a nutshell, the needle creates vibrations as it spins, and then amplified vibrations travel through the cone, creating sound. And yes, it does work. Listen closely. Now when you're done, be sure to put it away correctly. Place the needle back in its original straight position, put on the safety lock and caps, remove your record, close the lid so you don't get dust inside of it, and don't forget to turn off the record player. So that is it. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Check out my other videos while you're here, and make sure you subscribe so I can see you in my next video.